All right, let's let the procession begin. I've opened up the package, I've separated everything we need, and it looks like, I'm guessing, the first thing that we need to do is get that in. So that gave me a little bit of space in here. Matter of fact, you can actually see, I can almost stick my finger in here. I don't know if that's because I've had this done a few times before, or if this is just the way this particular one is. And I don't have trim or anything in this. Well, there is a little bit of a gasket there, but I don't think that's considered trim. So we'll go ahead and get the next piece. Now I took the bags out of the thing. I think the hose a little tight fit on this. I didn't try very hard, but I didn't get it down. So I'm gonna see if this is enough to get this in here. It is spreading the door out. Not a lot. Not a lot. Anyways, let's see if that's enough. I can get my finger in there, and I believe I'm doing some research. If you can get your finger in there, that's enough to get the rods in there. All right. So the locking mechanism, or the handle, is right about here. I've connected the rods. They've got these little connection pieces that you had to manually put on. Each rod doesn't have a male, female. And so anyways, we'll see how easy this is. Wish me luck. Although, it's kind of weird. This is not doing kind of what I was hoping for, because we have no flexibility and I don't have that same angle. So maybe what's required, and mind you, I've never done this. I'm sure you do this a few times, you become an expert, but let's see if we can open this up a little bit further. Maybe that'll give me some more options. Putting the second. Ooh, look at that. This one's opening it up. Well, I guess these have to be torqued in. What I'm experiencing here is whenever I'm getting this on the handle and I'm turning it, because I didn't torque these really tight, it's not got enough tension to pop that. You know, on a side note, when you can get joy from small accomplishments in life, no matter what they are, in any given day, that's a blessing. Man, that is a blessing, and it's a great feeling. So if I can do something like this, 35, 36, $37, you can too. Tell me what you think. I think this was an investment, a good investment. And the thing that's gonna really is how long these hold up. I think these will be the things that give out just because they don't seem like they're made of great material. And if I'm thinking about storing them in the back of my truck, there's some compartments back here. But you know, I'm living in Texas, the heat, I don't know how well this withhold or tolerate the heat. So, but then again, I just saved a little bit of money, not having to call a locksmith. Leave me a like, subscribe. This is Eric Sturm, and have a blessed day. And this is Thanksgiving. Have a great Thanksgiving. God bless.